about the questions that I do not know how to approach those questions in the mains paper. And it is very rare that a question will come about which you have no idea. Very rare. You will have some idea. For example, last year, the twister question, from the question itself, you will come to know it is an atmospheric phenomena, and the question itself said where it is occurring. So you know, and you can imagine what a twister might be. So you can write an answer that will give you some marks. I do not know if the examiner or the evaluation is done like that, but you can uh, address the basic demands of the question, like drawing a figure and uh, highlighting where twisters can occur, and giving a basic, addressing the basic demands of the question by explaining it. If you do not know anything about that, if you are asked about a travelogue or an art and culture question which you have no idea about, or the literary works during certain period, if you have no idea about it, it's better to skip rather than writing and wasting your time. And you can rightly use that time that you save, around roughly 7 minutes, in all the other questions.